Hey everyone, welcome back to TurtlePic. We've added a new design tab inside your event, and it lets you build your gallery exactly the way you want it. We've got a sample wedding setup here, and we'll design its gallery from scratch and see how it turns out. The photos are already uploaded here. If you want to see how that part works, we've got a full tutorial on uploading over on the channel. Links in the description. But for now, let's head into the design tab. First up, your gallery cover. Click Upload Cover to get started. You'll set one for desktop and one for mobile. So let's do desktop first. Pick the photo you want people to see first. Now set your focal point. Drag the circle to the part of the photo that matters most and watch the preview on the right update as you go. That way, you know exactly how it'll crop. Hit Save when it looks right. Now for mobile. You can upload a different photo or just reuse the desktop one. We'll reuse it here. So click Use Desktop Cover. And that's both saved. Close the dialog and you'll see the preview panel over on the right. Switch to mobile to check how it looks there, then back to desktop. Now, layouts. This is how your event cover actually gets presented. These are the free ones, clean, simple, and the preview updates as you go. And these are the premium layouts. They bring in animation and a bit more polish, the kind of thing that makes your event name and cover feel like a proper opening rather than just a header. Have a look through them, because the difference is easier to see than to describe. It's completely up to you. We'll go with this one. And next up, typography. Typography sets the fonts for your event name and your folder names. There are 8 pairings to choose from, and each one shows you your actual event name, so you're not guessing at how it'll read. These are the standard pairings. They run from clean and modern down to something more classic and editorial. And down here you've got the script options, which are a bit more decorative. Nice for weddings where a handwritten feel suits the occasion. Whichever you pick, the preview on the right updates instantly, so you can flick through until one feels right. We'll go with this one. Next up is the grid, which is where you decide how your photos actually sit on the page. First, grid style. You can go vertical or horizontal, and the preview on the right switches as you do, so you can see straight away which one suits your photos better. Then thumbnail size, regular or large. It's worth trying a few combinations here. Large thumbnails with a horizontal grid feels completely different to what you started with. For this one, we'll go vertical, with regular thumbnails. Then there's spacing, how much room sits between your photos. Regular keeps things tight, large gives the grid more air, and then corners. This one's subtle, but it changes the feel of the whole gallery, more than you'd think, squared, soft, or rounded. Keep an eye on the preview as you switch between them, because it's genuinely hard to spot until you see it side by side. Last one here is photo actions, the favorite and download buttons your guests see on each photo. You can turn them off completely, show them only on hover, or leave them always visible. One thing worth knowing about hover. On mobile, there's no cursor to hover with, so anything set to hover will just show up as always visible instead. Worth keeping in mind since most of your guests will be on their phones. And last up, themes. This is the one that pulls everything together. There are 20 to choose from, 10 dark and 10 light, and each one shifts the whole gallery at once. Backgrounds, text, the way your photos sit against everything else. Worth flicking through the preview here rather than picking by name, because a dark theme and a light theme with exactly the same photos can feel like two completely different galleries. Pick whichever suits the event you're delivering. So, ready to see how it looks? One thing first, publish the event. That's what pushes your design live. Then open the final preview and see it exactly as your guests will. Head to Share Event, click Get Link and choose everyone's photos. That's the one that used to be called the Full Access link. Copy it, then open a new tab and paste it in. And there it is. Your cover, your typography, your grid, your theme, all of it working together exactly the way your guests will see it. And if something isn't quite right, just head back, make your changes, and hit refresh on the gallery. Everything updates straight away. So go and try it out on your own events. Play around with it. If you've got any questions, drop us a mail at contact@turtlepic.com and our team will get back to you. And for more tutorials like this one, subscribe to the TurtlePic channel. Thanks for watching.